We gotta go, guys. Time to go. Holy shit. We have to really get an Instagram sticker or YouTube or something. That shit's done for. They're done. Tweaking. This nigga blew them. He's a savage for that. Holy shit. Tweaking. He doesn't have another one? You better have.
That's what he said.
This nigga can't crop the Corvette, man. That
little circle.
I wish you guys could feel the full experience, you know? You wanna buy some tires? Yeah, guys, people out here just love us burning out, but they don't wanna buy us tires, you know?
Never. They need to come and buy some, and then we good.
Facts. We shred all the tires for you guys. It looks like it needs to stop. You think? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, they're good. Can't burn no more tires, you know, because we gotta go to New York. Can't go to New York with bald tires. And it's snowing right now over there. So, hype for that. gotta go, guys. Time to go. Holy shit. We gotta go. Oh. Oh shit. Shit. Look at this shit. That shit clean. It's the opposite behind of us.
Got them right behind us. Oh man, how's this night gonna turn out?
Don't be last, go right now.
Oh, sure. He's coming for us right now.
Burnout, $5 burnout. Listen.
Hold on, there's a whole bunch of us. There's at least probably like 200.
At least
200 cars. 200 plus cars. So it's official, guys. We are currently leaving to New York. I just want to say it is Q's first time seeing snow.
Yep.
So that should be interesting. Like let's see how what he thinks for you New Yorkers or anybody where it snows. You guys know that the snow is sometimes fun, but it gets over. It's just too much sometimes, you know. But this should be very interesting. Currently about to get some gas real quick. First pit stop on the way.
Nick, if you're watching this, this is a surprise.
Yeah, that's another thing, Nick. You're gonna be watching this. It's gonna be fucking hilarious. We're on our way to you. That was the surprise, by the way.
$2 or?
We got 2 for $2. How you feeling, Q?
Feeling alright.
You ready to see some snow?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you right now, though, that little shirt is not gonna cut it.
I got a jacket in there, bro. So guys, we didn't make it yet, but we still here. It's fucking freezing. It's freezing. Thank you. Damn, I need your number.
Thank you.
It's crazy. It's freezing out here. I'm wearing shorts. The crazy part is we just left Florida. And it's 47 over there. And it's about -9 over here. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Nick, sir.
Yes, sir!
How do you like your surprise?
What's good, bro? Oh, man. Welcome to New York.
His first time seeing snow.
Really?
First time ever. Now jump in it. It's a tradition.
Yeah.
About to make the perfect video for you guys. Problems of owning a Hellcat in the snow.
Wait, what?
Alright, bro. This is what you have to do. Ready?
speeding up?
No. This is easy. All right. We have to rock it back and forth. We could get out. We could get out. It's mad easy. Watch. Just rock it back and forth.
The car?
Yeah, just rock it. Forward, let it go back.
Oh shit.
Yo, what the hell? It's only been a couple hours. There we go.
I can get out.
Told you it's a rocky. You gotta rock it. You gotta rock it. Hands are cold.
Damn. Wait, let me see if I can drift out of here.
I wanna see the Camry do some shit.
Look at my hands. Frozen.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Oh shit.
Nasty. Oh my god.
He got better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know if I'm cold, you guys are fucking freezing.
Bro. I can't feel nothing.
What? I should put on my other pants.
It's fucking cold out here. Let me see something, Nick.
Oh yeah. Really want to hear power.
Oh shit.
Ready, cold start.
What do you guys know about that? Nothing.
Alright, transfer. I'm about to go
Alright.
get warm.
Yeah, we definitely need to do that. Alright, and till tomorrow.
And I'm ready for this. Woo! Oh! Oh! He just did it to you, Justin.